Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the insulator on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Lift the tab to detach the air filter cover. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the filter base and carburetor. Move the carburetor assembly out of the way, and you can remove the insulator gasket. Now unthread the three mounting screws to release the engine cover. Next, unthread the two screws securing the insulator assembly. This may require some effort. Pull off the old assembly. If you're replacing a one-piece insulator assembly, you will need to purchase a separate baffle to go along with the new insulator. Insert the mounting screws into the new insulator, then position the manifold gasket. Properly align the insulator on the engine block, then fully thread the screws. Position the baffle. Insert the mounting screws into the air filter base. Align the carburetor, as well as the insulator gasket. Then position the assembly on the new insulator and thread the screws. Make sure the air filter gasket is properly positioned on the filter base. Then realign the cover and snap it into place. Realign the engine cover and secure it with the screws. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.